Hello and welcome to this new video in which we are going to talk about Altium Designer. So stay tuned. What's new in Altium Designer? Collaboration and data management features are of the new enhancements in Altium Designer 22.7. In this announcement, users have access to new commenting and secure respiratory connection upgrades. Now, let's talk about comments and tasks for Draftsman. The project commenting features now extend into Draftsman documents. All comments in a Draftsman document will be available through a connected workspace. Another feature is the enhanced comments PDF export. Comment reports generated in PDF format will now include source information, task-related details, and links to quickly access the design information in Altium 365 web viewer interface. There is also an SSH to HTTPS feature. Respiratory connection. Now, projects pushed to a respiratory via an SSH connection are now supported through an HTTPS connection. Upgrade your copy of Altium Designer 22 to the newest version to take advantage of these upgrades and much more. To access the upgrade, navigate to the Updates page from the Extensions and Update window. Upgrade today to get access to the newest productivity features in Altium Designer. And if you are looking for a discount, you can check the link in the description where you can find up to 25% discount on Altium Designer subscription. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.